Have you ever wondered about the real scenario of unemployment in India? Unemployment is a pressing issue that affects millions. Excited to announce the completion of my Power BI Dashboard project, Unemployment in India, as part of my internship at CognoRise InfoTech. This dashboard provides valuable insights into India's employment landscape, featuring key metrics displayed through cards: total estimated employed, total estimated labor participation, and unemployed estimated. Donut charts illustrating estimated labor participation and employment by region, offering a comprehensive view of regional employment trends. Analysis of estimated employed individuals by year and month for the top 5 regions, highlighting temporal patterns. Unemployment rate analysis by region and area, rural and urban, shedding light on demographic disparities. Interactive map visualization depicting unemployment rates across different regions, aiding in spatial understanding. Thrilled to have developed this impactful tool, contributing to our understanding of employment dynamics in India. Grateful for the opportunity to learn and grow during my internship journey at CognoRise InfoTech. Stay tuned for more insights and projects to come.